How can you protect your privacy during a divorce? It's a great question. My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You know, privacy is always an issue. It seems that different issues govern the day, at certain times. Personal liberties and independence were an issue in the 70s and the 80s. In this day and age, privacy is a huge issue because of the proliferation of, all the electronic and social media that invades people's privacies. It's a huge issue. With a divorce, it's a huge issue, but it's sort of tempered by the fact that both parties have a duty of full disclosure. And that means that there's already an infringement into your rights because you have a duty, whatever you got called, you've got a duty to disclose all your assets and all those things. So much for protecting your own privacy when you have an obligation to tell the other side every single thing. You may say, well, I was convicted of an alcohol-related offense, but I don't want my ex to know because she may use it against me in custody. The problem is in the discovery process, the other attorney's allowed to ask you, have you ever been convicted of an offense? And you're going to have to divulge that. So much for your privacy, right? But here's the thing. You can try to protect your privacy by certain self-help things. Number one, you should use secure communication, okay? So you should not use channels that notify you that they're not secure and that they're public. You should definitely try to do that. If you're worried about your ex invading your privacy, change your password. Monitor your accounts. See who's got access and limit that access so that your privacy will be preserved. Avoid sharing personal information because when you share personal information with one person and you're okay with them having it, somebody else may get it that you're not okay with. So you got to do this. Watch the sensitive documents. Keep them protected in a secure location so that they are not shared with people that you don't want to see. There are some who say, well, look, we should draft a confidentiality agreement so neither side will disclose these things. But, it's a consent document and people don't necessarily have to sign a confidentiality agreement. So in light of that, the suggestions above are things that I think might help you preserve your measure of privacy a little better. If you have any questions, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-30